Alright guys, Carpinteria, getting some leopard shark. We got Cochis, and then we got Nico joining us today. He's never caught a leopard shark, so I'm gonna help him today. Let's get on the move on.
Alright guys, we just found a little, looks like a jack snout. We're going to use it as bait. Just going to let this little one look at it.
You want to come closer?
I like your shirt, baby.
Green Lantern. Trapped in this little pool right here, huh? Whoa! It's okay, he doesn't bite.
It might be a tickler.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, buddy.
There it is. This little guy. It's a feisty guy too, guys. Looks like a anchovy. It's a jack snout. Took it right in the butt. Alright, we're gonna cast this buddy out. See what we can catch with this guy. Alright guys, I'm going to set this rock up so my rod won't go in the water. Ready to rock and roll.
Is that a tiger shark?
Alrighty guys, we just caught a leopard shark at Carpinteria Beach. We're going to throw it back. But hey, it's fun to catch these things.
Good job, little shark. Baby shark. That's a baby shark. Yes, sir. We just caught, supposedly, I thought we just caught some seaweed under it.
Oh, and
there
then
he was.
There he was.
The pliers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
right.
in there, isn't it? Here.
Yeah, it's all the way through its mouth.
I'll bring here my buddy first time.
Yeah?
Fishing over here, he wants to catch some of these.
But bigger.
But bigger?
Hopefully we can catch.
What do you use it for bait?
Whole squid?
Squid.
Alright guys, I'm gonna cast on my Pen Battle 6000. Pen Battle 2 6000. Third cast of the day with the whole squid. That's what Jerry just caught his on. So we'll see how it goes.
Nico caught a little leopard. Yeah. That's right, Nico. Your first your first little leopard.
Just barely got him too.
Oh yeah. Oh my God! Look at that little set hook, right on the lip.
Oh, don't bite me, bud.
No, they don't bite. They only bite when they're big. Look at that. That's right, Nico.
Oh, freaking hook.
Finally got one. That's just a baby. That's a male. I mean female. Little girl. Set her off back home. Catch another one. This time a keeper.
Alright guys, we just caught we're reeling in a rockfish right now. It's a capizon rockfish. That looks like a keeper. That looks like a fucking keeper. Look at that rockfish.
Woo! You recording?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that.
It's not a capizon either.
It's not a capizon, it's a rockfish.
It's a calico bass.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. Oh my gosh.
I tell you, every time we go to the pier,
big
we don't catch
guy.
nothing, and we come here, we catch something.
Woo!
Kelp again, kelp.
Cycle continues. Look how the hook's right there, brother. You know,
Yep.
continue.
There's another hook down there. Here, I got it.
Yeah, now you're the only one that's gonna catch.
God damn.
You said 3 Nico, 3 me, and you won. You already caught 2.
Oh my God.
We gotta measure that, brother. That looks legal. Has to be what, 14?
14.
You got the tape measure?
Yep. Check it out, guys. Look what I got. I didn't even know. I just reeled it in. It was there. Check it out, guys. It's a Calico bass. Reeled it in. Didn't even know it was there. Let's measure it. 13.
Well,
13.
like 13 and a quarter.
Looks like he's got something. Yeah, and you got my line. Oh, got cheese. Got a Leco, Calico. Can't get up here.
Oh, I got probably yours too, though.
Yeah, that's all good. Oh, cheese. Calico.
Yeah, at least I caught something. Shit.
Nico.
That's what, like a 9-incher, 10-incher maybe?
Let go of my line. There it is.
Kiss it.
Kiss it.
Woo!
Nice.
Come on,
Oh,
good luck.
ugly.
Hold it.
Aren't these poisonous?
No.
No.
Just on the cabezon?
Hold it. Hold it, go choose. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me take a picture.